Hello, in this video we'll discuss unlimited and/or full-strength cryptography. Boomi relies on this functionality for various features within the product. In this specific scenario, there were various Java security issues encountered, which referenced an invalid key size exception. Upon further investigation, the scope of this issue was narrowed to an AS2 connection. The connection was established, but never received the pending data. So steps taken to isolate the issue included logging into the platform, navigating to the Atom Management menu, confirming the status of the property, and noting if the property were set to true, then this issue would be specific to the certificate in use. However, in this case, we were below Java 8 Update 161, which includes the required policy files to set the property to true. As this issue was unique to Boomi, the update to Java was recommended, and Java 8 Update 161 not only resolved the issue, but removed various vulnerabilities within Java. This concludes the information shared in this video, and I thank you for watching.